Hey there, wellness warriors. Do your legs ever feel heavy, achy, or just not as strong as they used to be? What if I told you 3 simple drinks, stuff you probably already have at home, could help you move easier, feel stronger, and keep your independence? Stick around, because the third one is a total game changer most people overlook. Welcome to Royal Adams, where we share easy, natural ways to feel your best and live life to the fullest. I'm so excited to have you here today. Drop a quick comment and let me know where you're watching from. I love connecting with our amazing community. If you're all about simple, holistic health tips, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video. Ready? Grab a cozy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive into 3 drinks that can give your legs a natural boost. Let's be real. As we age, things like climbing stairs, going for walks, or even standing for a while can start to feel tougher. Maybe you've noticed a little wobble in your step, or those annoying leg cramps that sneak up at night. It's easy to think, oh, that's just aging. But here's the truth. Sometimes your body's just craving the right nutrients to keep your muscles and joints happy. The good news? You don't need fancy supplements or complicated routines. These 3 drinks are simple, affordable, and packed with science-backed benefits to help your legs feel stronger and steadier. Today, I'm sharing 3 drinks you can make at home to soothe sore muscles, ease cramps, and support your mobility. Each one targets a specific need your legs have as you age, and they're so easy to whip up. Let's get started with the first one. It's warm, comforting, and a total inflammation fighter. First up, ginger lemon tea. Picture this. You're curled up with a warm mug. The spicy aroma of ginger hits your nose, and your body just starts to relax. This isn't just a cozy drink, it's a powerhouse for your legs and joints. Ginger is like nature's anti-inflammatory superhero. It contains compounds called gingerols that studies show can reduce inflammation in your muscles and joints. Why does that matter? Because inflammation is often the sneaky culprit behind stiff knees, achy ankles, or that I can't move as easily feeling. Lemon, on the other hand, brings a burst of vitamin C, which supports collagen production, key for keeping your joints flexible and your muscles strong. Here's how to make it. Boil 1 cup of water. Add a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated or thinly sliced. Let it simmer for 5 minutes to release those healing compounds. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Optional, add a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Sip this in the evening to unwind, or enjoy it first thing in the morning for a refreshing start. Over time, think a few weeks of daily sips. You might notice less stiffness and more ease in your movements. Pro tip, ginger can be strong, so start with a small amount if you're new to it. Have you tried ginger tea before? Let me know in the comments how it makes you feel. Now that we've got an inflammation-busting tea in your hands, let's move on to a drink that's like a hug in a mug for your muscles and bones. This next one is a nutrient-packed classic that's been loved for generations. Next up is bone broth, and trust me, this isn't your average soup. Bone broth is like a multivitamin for your legs, packed with nutrients that support muscle repair and joint health. When you simmer bones, think chicken, beef, or even fish for hours, you pull out collagen, amino acids, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. These are the building blocks your body needs to keep your muscles strong and your joints cushioned, especially as we age and our natural collagen production slows down. Studies suggest collagen peptides in bone broth can improve joint comfort and even help with muscle recovery after activity. That means less soreness after a walk or gardening session and more confidence in your step. Plus, it's super satisfying and savory, perfect for chilly days. Here's a simple way to make it at home. Grab bones from chicken, beef, or fish, left over from a roast works grate. Toss them in a large pot or slow cooker with enough water to cover. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar, about a tablespoon, to help draw out the nutrients. Toss in some veggies like carrots, celery, or an onion for flavor. Simmer on low for 12-24 hours. The longer the better. Strain it, season with a pinch of salt or herbs, and sip it warm. You can enjoy a cup in the morning or as a light snack before dinner. If you're worried about sodium, skip the salt or go easy on it, especially if you're watching your blood pressure. Bone broth is a fantastic way to nourish your body from the inside out, and it's budget-friendly too. Try it this week and share in the comments how it goes. We've covered a soothing tea and a nutrient-rich broth, but this next drink is all about powering up your muscles with the right fuel. It's refreshing, delicious, and might just become your new go-to. Ready for the surprise? Drink #3, coconut water and spinach smoothie. Here's the one you've been waiting for, a coconut water and spinach smoothie. I know, spinach in a smoothie, hear me out. This drink is a muscle-loving, cramp-fighting superstar that's surprisingly tasty. Coconut water is nature's electrolyte drink, loaded with potassium and magnesium, two minerals your muscles need to function smoothly. Potassium helps your muscles contract properly, while magnesium keeps cramps at bay and supports nerve health. Low levels of either can lead to those painful leg spasms, especially at night. Spinach adds even more magnesium, plus a dose of iron for healthy blood flow to your muscles. Together, they're like a dream team for keeping your legs strong and steady. Here's how to whip it up. Blend 1 cup of coconut water. Look for unsweetened, pure coconut water. Add a handful of fresh spinach. Don't worry, it blends in smoothly. Toss in half a banana for natural sweetness and extra potassium. Optional, add a tablespoon of chia seeds for a fiber and omega-3 boost. Blend until creamy and enjoy. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast or after a light workout. It's light, hydrating, and keeps your muscles fueled for the day. If you're new to green smoothies, start with less spinach and work your way up. Trust me, you'll barely taste it, but your legs will thank you. Who's ready to try this one? Drop a comment and let me know. There you have it. 3 simple, natural drinks to help your legs feel stronger, steadier, and ready for anything. Ginger lemon tea to fight inflammation, bone broth to nourish your joints, and a coconut water spinach smoothie to power up your muscles. These aren't just drinks. They're small, daily steps towards staying active and independent. Before you go, here's a bonus tip to keep you watching. Try adding a 5-minute leg stretch to your routine each day. Simple moves like ankle circles or gentle calf stretches can boost circulation and pair perfectly with these drinks to keep your legs feeling great. Want more tips like this? Check out our next video on what happens when you eat moringa seeds doctors won't say. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. Now it's your turn. Which of these drinks are you excited to try first? Or maybe you've got a favorite remedy for leg health. Share it in the comments below, I'd love to hear. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Royal Adams for more practical natural health tips to help you thrive in your golden years. Here at Royal Adams, we're all about adding life to your years, not just years to your life. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.